Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewofsoftware.com. Welcome to my Blue Hustle review. As you can see right now, I'm inside a members area of the Blue Hustle. I will give you a full demo and exactly what you're getting inside of this training course. If you know Blue Hustle training, but you're not be sure what you're getting and what he's teaching you inside of this training course, in this video here, I will give you everything you need to know. And I also put a lot of custom bonus that I would like to get you. So what you need to do now, click the first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page right here. And you click to any earn button here. You go to the sale page like this. So before we go to the folder about my bonus, about the training, if you first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notified. And right now, let's get started. So first thing first, what is the Blue Hustle, right? Blue Hustle is a training course, okay? It's a training course which is created by Sandy. Sandy he's one of the top affiliate market on WordPress. So he has a lot of experience teaching people how to make money by selling what is he teaching you here. Okay, so he will teach you how to turn $5 to $500 profits. So what does this mean? So let's go to more detail. Click to the first link in the description of this video. It go to my bonus page here and click to any earning button here. Go to the sale page like this. So this is Shiny. Okay, this Shiny. So here he will show you how $5 space change making me $500 profit over and over again. Even in store called Newbie can do this. Okay, what does it mean? That means he will show you how to buy someone else's product, the product called PLR. Okay, PLR is the product created by someone else. So the product you buy for $5, then you can sell and whatever price you want, you can sell for $20 or $30 or $40. Okay, so what's a PLR product, right? PLR product is a product can be like a training course, can be like a software, can be like a PDF that's created by someone very professional. Then you buy for $5, then you can sell for around $30 or $40. Okay, so here I think this course is very different than other people course because a lot of people show you how to do video review on WordPress, on WordPress or JVDo, but not a lot of people show you how to sell product on there, right? So in this video, in this training, he will teach you how to buy someone product and sell on WordPress. You can see that you spend a lot of money to make a lot of video or a lot of content on review about someone else's product. And here he show you how to buy someone else's product $5 to sell on there. Then I'm pretty sure that you make more money than you review about other people product. Okay, so here let's go more detail here. So build for newbie. You don't need an email list. You EverGreen Method. Never see before step-by-step video training, 24-hour support, and make money while you sleep. No copy. It's not like that, but you need to work hard. Yeah, you can make money when you sleep, but you need to work hard, then you can make money when you sleep, right? No complication stuff, one step run and auto pillow, and no money fees ever. So this is pretty cheap. I will show you the price a little bit later, right? So here's some result. Here we go. The 3 steps that grab and copy the Blue Hustle. Today you will take 30 seconds to start and then watch over video training, and you will get to see money in your PayPal account. Right? So yeah, of course, it's not very easy like just do and you can get money, right? You need to work hard about what you do, then you can get money after, right? It's talking here just like a little bit easy, but what you do, you need to work hard. It's not very easy, okay? Right? But it will absolutely make you money, but you need to work hard and you feel that's your business. And a lot of information here, which you can click to the first link in the description. Then you can go to my bonus page and click to any other button here. Go to the sale page right here. Okay. Then you can purchase the product. The product launched in yesterday. The product launched today is 20 October. And so the product launched yesterday in 19 October. Okay, so before we go to the folder about the training right here, so I would like to get you, I would like to show you my bonus page. So I have prepared over 14 high quality bonus that I would like to get you, right? So if you still not click to the first link, click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page here. Here I break down everything you need to know about Blue Hustle. Okay, so in here I have prepared for you 14 high quality bonus. Okay, so the first bonus I should get you today is called SEO keyword mastery. Right, look, every business need SEO, guys. Every business need SEO. Every affiliate need SEO. That's why this is one of my top bonus I would like to get you go with the Blue Hustle. So this will help you how to find the right keyword and how to find the most profitable keyword the right way. Okay. And then bonus number 2, I will show you do retargeting. Retargeting on Google, guys. A lot of people do Google ads, but not a lot of people show you retargeting. In this video, I will show you how to retargeting on Google. Right? So I shall do Bing ads. Bing ads is really important. A lot of people do Google ads, but not a lot of people do Bing ads. And the good thing in Bing ads is the old people searching on there, and also the price is pretty cheap, cheaper than Google ads. And the old people that have more money and they're searching on Bing ads. So Bing ads is, I will show you how to do Bing ads as well. And the bonus number 4, I will show you how to do video marketing. Video marketing is now the king of marketing, guys. You see every sale page right now that have video on there. That means video is the best to selling, the best convert. Okay, so that's why video marketing is important, and that's why I put video marketing in my bonus page. So I would like to get you. Okay, and I have a lot of bonus here. I will show you how to do YouTube SEO, YouTube channel SEO. If you have YouTube channel and you didn't get a lot of traffic, in this video I show you how to do YouTube channel SEO. And I have the bonus number 8, I will show you do blogging, review blogging. A lot of people will charge you a lot of money to build a blog, but here I will show you step by step to build a blog. Okay, and I have a lot of bonus right here. Feel free to jump ahead to my bonus page and enjoy yourself. So to hold my bonus here, you need to post the product before the countdown time right here. If my countdown time, my bonus will not available and all of my bonus will expire. Okay, so you need to post the product before my bonus, before my countdown time, and you have all my bonus include in the include with Blue Hustle. So when you post the product and you go to WordPress, you go to your history product you already purchased. Then you go down here, they have a little arrange button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. Then you will hold my bonus I show you right here. Okay, so right now that's it, my bonus. You need to click, you need to put the product before my countdown time. Okay, if my countdown time, my bonus will expire. So right now, let's go to deeper inside the training. So this I'm really excited to share you because not a lot of people show you how to do as she teaching you here. So the product created by Shandy. So here he will show you how to research and get free BRR product. BRR product. He not only teach you how to buy cheap BRR product, but he will show you get free BRR product. Okay, he will show you how to get free. Okay, free product. Then he will show you how to create, how to custom the PR content and prove it. Right? He will show you how to find good content to prove it, and how to easy find your product name. Okay, he'll show you do your product name. It's a name for a product is really important, right? A product name very important. So he'll show you how to find good name for your product, and how to create free logo for your product. I create logo, right? A lot of people, you charge a lot of money to build a logo, but here he will show you how to do that. And he will show you how to turn your logo to smart mockup, to smart mockup. So here he will show you how to design on the computer, how to design your logo on the computer or on smart mockup, something like that. And here he will show you how to install the best builder. Right? He will show you how to install the best builder for your page. Okay? And here he will show you how step by step work through theory archive. So if you don't know theory archive, that's is a page that how you build your website. Okay? And here he will show you do thank you page. You thank you page right here, and here he will show you how to list your product on WordPress. This guy, a lot of people not show you in this way, but here he show you how to list your product on WordPress. That's really cool. You see every product list on a WordPress that have people review, and also it's a lot of people will do review like me I do right now. So you can imagine that how much money and how many people will review your product and how many sales you get. A ton of people will do that. Okay, and here he will show you step-by-step offer create in WordPress. Right? He will show you how to ask your price and create your create in WordPress, and step-by-step auto sale page, and step-by-step auto download thank you page, and upsell setup in WordPress offer section, and complete system, and conclusion $1 million spot, and a lot of bonus he give you down here, which is probably in the sale pay right here. You see bonus right here. So you come here, you see holder training. You also have holder bonus right here. Okay. So alright, so that's it, everything about the training. I think this training is really cool. He will show you how to do get the free BLR product, then you can sell for $10, $20, or even $30, $15. That is really cool. A lot of people will not show you that. So and when you have the product from the PRR, what you need to do, just show your face on the JV page and show your face on the sale page. If you don't know JV page is one page website that show holder affiliate. That they would like to share. They would like to do. They would like to promote your product. That's the JV page. JV page, you stay on there and you call people to promote your product. That's basically that. And also the sale pay is you need to show your face there, because that's you need to make sure that that's your product, right? You can rent a freelancer to create a video on for you. So that's it, very easy. So that's, he will show you everything what I talking about here. He will show you everything you need to do when you come to this training course. Okay, so all right. So that is everything about the Blue Hustle. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you know that how my bonus will expire if my countdown time here is come down to 0. Okay, so you need to come to here, post the product before my countdown time. Okay, and right now let's talk about the price. So what is the price, right? So the price for the end only $9.95, so $13, right? So the $13 here, you will access to everything about I just show you just right here. You access to everything I show you right there. Okay, and they have few upsell, few upsell right here. But I talking about $13 for the product is really cheap, just few coffee, right? So you can post the product only $12, and let's see how it is. If you like the product and you wanna make more money, you can upsell. You can upgrade later. Okay, you can upgrade later. Here you see got a border. You can upgrade later. You see upsell the, let's see, the full asset to my 2020 product release. I think this pretty good. You can access to hold the Xinjiang product. So this is a good option to go. Okay, and a lot of upsell right here. But feel free to jump ahead to here and you will get hold the information I show you right here. Alright, so let's see. I give you my bonus SEO key. I show you do SEO, I show you do retargeting, I show you do Bing ads, I show you do video marketing, I show you do YouTube SEO, and a lot more. So make sure you post the product before my countdown time. Okay, so alright guys, I hope this video helpful. If you still here, if you still not click to the first link, now click to the first link in the description of this video. Then it will take to my bonus page right here, and click to any orange button here. You go to the sale page and click to any orange button here. Then you're good to go. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and take care. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.